Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel! You know I love a good DIY project, especially when it involves simple solutions to everyday problems. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a good life hack? Today, we're going to tackle 3 common annoyances with DIY gadgets you can make with stuff you probably already have lying around the house. We're talking phone stands, cable organizers, and even a key holder, all made on a budget. So grab your tools, and let's get building. Alright, let's kick things off with this super simple phone stand. I don't know about you, but holding my phone to watch videos gets old real fast, so we're going to use something you definitely have in your recycling bin: cardboard. First, grab a piece of cardboard. I'm using an old cereal box. You know, gotta love that extra life out of packaging. Now, cut out a rectangle about 10 by 15 centimeters. You can adjust this depending on the size of your phone. Next, fold that rectangle in half lengthwise, so it stands up like a tent. Now here's the secret sauce. Grab your scissors again and cut a small slit near the top edge of the folded side. This is where your phone is going to rest. To make sure our stand doesn't fall flat, we need a support leg. Cut out another small piece of cardboard, maybe about 2 by 5 centimeters. Fold this piece in half lengthwise as well. Now, grab your glue and attach the unfolded side of this small piece to the back of the phone stand near the bottom. Let the glue dry completely, and voila! You've got yourself a freestanding phone stand. Next up, we're tackling those unruly cables that seem to multiply overnight. Seriously, how does that happen? Anyway, for this DIY cable organizer, we're going with another household staple, the humble toilet paper roll. Don't worry, it's clean. Now you can totally leave the roll as is, but where's the fun in that? Let's add some personality. Grab some colored tape, paint, or even markers, whatever you've got. I'm going with some bright washi tape because it's super easy to work with. Wrap that tape around the roll, creating cool patterns or just a solid color. If you're feeling extra organized, use label stickers to designate each roll for specific cables, chargers, headphones, you name it. Now simply thread your cables through the rolls and boom, no more tangled mess. Finally, let's add a touch of upcycled elegance to your entryway with this DIY key holder made from an old fork. I know, sounds crazy, right? But trust me, it's going to look awesome. First things first, safety first. Grab your safety glasses, because things are about to get real. Now find an old fork you don't use anymore. Maybe one that's seen better days? Perfect. Using your pliers, carefully bend the fork's prongs slightly upward. We're aiming for a gentle curve, not a complete 90-degree angle. Now grab your drill and a drill bit slightly smaller than the size of your screw. Carefully drill a hole through the handle of the fork. This is where we'll attach it to our base. Speaking of the base, you can use a piece of reclaimed wood for a rustic look, or even just screw the fork directly into the wall. I'm going with a piece of scrap wood I had lying around. Line up the fork where you want it on the wood and screw it in from the back. And there you have it, a unique and functional key holder that'll have your guests saying, "Wait, is that a fork?" And there you have it, 3 awesome DIY gadgets to simplify your life. We've got the trusty cardboard phone stand for hands-free viewing, the cable-taming toilet paper roll organizer, and the conversation-starting fork key holder. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed these DIY projects and subscribe for more awesome ideas. Until next time, keep those creative juices flowing and happy crafting.